What's up guys, Hector, and we just got done trading the stock market. Not a significant day. We didn't lose money, made just a little bit. So only when you take those big losses is when you really appreciate like a small loss, or even like a break-even day, or even if you make like a light amount of money, right? Everything is relative. So we're done, and we are about to take a little trip to go see some of the homies from college in Florida. So stay tuned. Right off the bat, I made a measly $26.98. Hold on. BBOS $21.25. XERS $5.73. Today the market was just not pushing the way that we want it to, right? We are greedy human beings. We want to make money every single day. But only, and I've said it before, when you take the big losses, the emotional losses that make you want to quit, is when you really appreciate these smaller days, right? $26.98, that's what I made, right? You know, that's essentially break even for me. You know what I'm saying? Didn't make money, didn't lose money. But this is okay, because what's worse is if you keep over trading, right? Because we're greedy, and then all of a sudden you're down $100, $200, $300. That's where it is an emotional toll that comes upon you in day trading. So BVOS, XERS, it is Monday, so you know, Money Mondays, the market's typically running. There's some sense of greed in the market because the weekend's over. People want to get in the market, they want to make money. And so I sought BVOS to make a run. It was up about 70% in the pre-market. Was holding between the VWAPs, and you know, consolidated, held this SMA, held some support around here, just under $6, and you know, eventually went for a run. I completely missed this run. You know, this is a very hard stock to trade this morning. It was very volatile. See, I mean, look at these flushes. You know what I'm saying? These are very dangerous flushes. From $6.40 to $5.90. That's half a dollar in 1 minute. You know what I'm saying? That's very, when you're sized in pretty decently, that's a very scary thing. So $21.25 basically broke even. Once I saw it, the stock was just not in my favor, was not pushing up with the momentum that I would have liked it to push up. So we took what we could, and that's what we got, $21. The other one, essentially, XERS, same thing. Yeah, it had a little push, but it was very volatile, up and down. And so when it's like that, it's just best to just get out ASAP. Don't get greedy and try to buy in a big size, or you know, size in a position that if it goes against you, you're not so emotional. If it goes against you, right? It's a dollar amount that you're willing to lose. It's not going to ruin your day. So that's essentially what I did, just because everything looks so sloppy today. Hopefully tomorrow, Tuesday, will be a lot better. So yeah, in the long run, this is very counterintuitive, but it becomes not about making money, but not losing money, right? If you didn't lose money, then it was a good day in the market, right? If you didn't lose money, it was a good day in the market. Doesn't matter how much you made. If you didn't lose money, if you were somewhere around what you would consider break even, it was a good day in the market. great workout. Just little things that I try to do even when I go on a little mini vacation. Kind of try to stay on what my regular routine would be, even if I'm on vacation. Go to the gym, try to go to bed early. Can't say I always do that, but try and stay disciplined as much as possible, even on vacation.